In this video, we'll explore the best air coolers without sound that promise to deliver outstanding performance. For your convenience, links to all the products mentioned in this video are down in the description of this video. And with that in mind, let's get started. Number 1 on my list is the Arctic Air Pure Chill 2.0, priced at $39. This compact and portable air cooler brings a refreshing breeze wherever you go, whether it's to the bedroom, office, or living room. It utilizes hydro-chill technology, which not only cools but also humidifies the air, creating a more comfortable environment. The design is lightweight and easy to carry, making it perfect for travel or moving from room to room. It features 4 speed settings and is controlled by a touch-sensitive panel that includes a fun LED nightlight with 7 color options. Customers find it highly effective in personal spaces, especially appreciating its ability to run up to 10 hours on a single fill, depending on the setting and room conditions. While it performs best in smaller areas, some users noted that it could struggle in larger or very humid rooms. A common piece of advice is to place a towel underneath to catch occasional condensation. Overall, it's praised for its energy efficiency, consuming only 8 to 10 watts, significantly less than traditional air conditioning units. For those living in dry climates like Las Vegas, it offers a much-needed respite from the heat, proving its worth by its ability to lower room temperatures efficiently. Second is the Arctic Air Tower Plus, priced at $99. This tower-shaped cooler is designed to handle larger spaces with its powerful airflow capacity of 150 cubic feet per minute. It incorporates hydro-chill technology and a mist boost mode, effectively turning warm air into cool, refreshing breezes instantly. With its sleek white design, it fits unobtrusively into any decor and features an oscillating function to distribute air evenly across the room. The device operates at a whisper-quiet level of 60 decibels, ensuring that it won't disturb your sleep or work. Its ease of use is enhanced by a water tank that lasts up to 16 hours depending on usage, and includes features like a timer with auto shut-off and LED nightlight with dimmer. Users love how it makes rooms more comfortable, particularly in homes without central air conditioning. Its durability is also noted, with one user mentioning it survived being knocked over multiple times without damage. Some reviews, however, indicate that it may not be sufficient for very large rooms or extremely hot conditions. Nonetheless, the general consensus is that it provides good value for the price, especially given its robust build and effective cooling capabilities. Third on the list is the UTHFY Evaporative Cooler, priced at $91. This unit stands out with its 3-in-1 functionality. It cools, humidifies, and enhances air circulation with a single device. It comes equipped with 6 ice packs that boost cooling efficiency and is designed for easy mobility thanks to its lightweight construction and wheels. With 3 fan speeds and 3 wind modes, it offers customizable comfort and a wide coverage area due to its 70-degree oscillation feature. The dual control system, including both a touchscreen and a remote, makes it simple to operate from anywhere in the room. The 12-hour timer is a convenient feature, particularly for those who want to avoid running the cooler unnecessarily. Users who have enjoyed it in their living spaces note significant improvements in air quality and comfort, especially during hot days. The cooler is also easy to clean and maintain, adding to its appeal. While some users were disappointed with its performance in extremely humid or tropical climates, it receives high marks for its effectiveness in typical indoor environments. First, we have the Grelife Portable Evaporative Cooler, priced at $139. This cooler is described as a 3-in-1 device that acts as a fan, air cooler, and humidifier. It's equipped with a large 1.58-gallon water tank and 4 ice packs, allowing for extended cooling periods without frequent refills. The cooler features 3 speed settings and a wide oscillation range, making it effective in distributing cool air across medium-sized rooms. It also includes a remote control for convenience and a built-in timer that can be set up to 12 hours. The LED display and child lock safety feature make it a family-friendly option, particularly for households with children. It operates quietly at 38 decibels, ensuring it doesn't interfere with sleep or concentration. Reviewers are particularly pleased with its performance in dry climates, noting that it helps maintain a comfortable humidity level. The ability to move it easily around the house is frequently mentioned as a significant benefit. Despite its higher price point, many users feel it offers good value due to its versatility and the level of control it provides over environmental conditions. Lastly, we got the BALKO Evaporative cooler and is available for $149. It combines cooling and humidifying in one powerful unit. This cooler is adept at handling dry climates where traditional air conditioners may make the air uncomfortably dry. It features 2 modes and 3 speeds, allowing for a tailored cooling experience that can be adjusted according to different needs and times of the day. The cooler includes a 7-hour timer and operates at a quiet 40 decibels, making it ideal for nighttime use. Its design includes a long air outlet and 70-degree oscillation, enhancing its ability to cool large areas effectively. The water tank is washable, which simplifies maintenance and ensures the longevity of the unit. Customers appreciate its ability to significantly cool rooms up to 250 square feet, making it an excellent option for larger spaces. It's particularly praised for its energy efficiency and ability to improve air movement when used in conjunction with existing air conditioning systems. Despite a few reports of missing ice packs, the overall feedback is overwhelmingly positive, highlighting its effectiveness and ease of use. So, whether you're looking for a personal cooler or a unit capable of handling larger spaces, these top-rated air coolers offer a blend of efficiency, quiet operation, and affordability. So, when choosing the right air cooler, consider the size of the space, the specific features like timers and remote controls, and the general climate in your area to ensure maximum comfort and effectiveness. And don't forget, all the products mentioned in this video are linked down in the description of this video. Hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.